Hey and welcome to Alt1. In this video we will run a free binary option robot that you also can have completely for free. Just check the link in the top right corner or the link below the video. And if for some reason this robot can't be run in your country, not to worry. Check out the link number 2 or the one that says worldwide, and you can have a robot that works worldwide also, because some countries, the broker, the binary.com broker, do not accept you. So that's just the way it is. It's some countries that can't run this robot. So let's start up this amazing robot and let's see how we do today. I will go for $700. It's Saturday today, so let's see how we do. And there we have it. $2,673. The reason we got much more than $700, like you see over there, is because we have a 1.5. You should use 1.2 if you don't want to martingale so hard. So when you get much against you, you can end up with much more profit than you were planning for. And that happened in this case. So with that, have a perfect day.